Exercise 12.1, Problem 10, Discussion. For a sightseeing trip, a tourist selects a country randomly from Argentina, Bangladesh, China, Angola, Russia, and Algeria. What is the probability that the name of the selected country will begin with A? So, the tourist is selecting randomly from the list of these countries. Okay. And what we are asked to find what is the probability of selecting a country which begins with A. It's very simple, right? How many countries are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n of S is 6. And how many countries start with the letter A? 1, 2, and 3. So if A we define as selecting a country starting with A, then n of A is 3. And 3 divided by 6 is the probability of selecting a country with beginning with A. Okay? So, let's get going. So, what is given? Tourist is selecting a country, a list of country. Actually, I should rewrite this. So, what is given is a list of country. Right? The probability that the name of the selected country will begin with A. So, probability that the name of the selected country will begin with A. That is what we are asked to calculate. As usual, probability of A is n of A by n of S. So, list the sample space. What is the sample space? This is the sample space. Argentina, Bangladesh, China, Angola, Russia, and Algeria. And what is n of S? N of S is counted. How many countries are there? 6 countries are there. So, n of S is 6. Let A be the event of selecting a country which begins with A. This is our question, right? We are asked to find the probability of selecting a country which will begin with A. So, let A be the event. Whatever is the question, that will become the event A. Okay, A be the event of selecting a country which begins with A. Now, okay, so the next step will be, we'll have to find n of A. Right? How many elements are there? 1, 2, and 3. So, list the outcome of A and find n of A. Then, probability of event A is n of A divided by n of S. Right? It's as simple as that. Now, let's do this problem together. So, the first step is in all these cases is sample space. So, what is our sample space? What are all the possible ways a country can be selected? Because they say it is selected randomly. Right? So, any of these things, all are equally possible to come as an outcome. So, let's list all the countries. Argentina, Bangladesh, China, Angola, Russia, and Algeria. How many are there? Altogether 6 are there. So, n of S is 6. So, let A be the event of selecting a country that will begin with A. Okay? Begin with A, with the letter A. Okay? So, event A, what are the possible outcomes? This will get selected. This will not get selected because starting with B. This will also not will not get selected because it's starting with C. This will get selected because it's starting with letter A. This will not get selected because it's starting with letter R. This will get selected because it's starting with letter A. So, the event A, the favorable outcomes for it is Argentina, Angola, and Algeria. So, that is what is listed here. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. So, n of A is 3. So, probability of event A is n of A divided by n of S. N of A is 3. N of S is 6. So, it is 3 divided by 6, that is equal to half. Therefore, probability of selecting a country that will begin with A is half. Now, let's say probability of selecting a country not beginning with A is 1 minus half. Because with A is half, without A means 1 minus half, that is again half. Now, let's say probability of selecting a country beginning with letter B. How many countries are there with B? Only this country is there. So, it is 1 by 6. Probability of selecting a country with C is again only 1 is there. So, it's 1 by 6. Okay. Sorry about this. It got, scribbled it here. Okay. So, I hope I made it clear. If not, please go through this video one more time. It will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.